Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets for Thursday the 27th of February. We're going to move on to our final chart of the day, which is gold. The gold price had a rather significant sell-off yesterday afternoon, which I'll be honest with you, I think I'm quite surprised about. Certainly on the back of what's going on in Ukraine, you'd think theoretically gold should actually benefit off the back of that, or at least be supported to a certain extent, being considered to be in inverted commas an insurance trade for political turmoil. But nonetheless, gold did actually have a big decline yesterday. And actually, the first sign of for quite some time of a corrective move actually on this chart. We've actually seen a bearish key one-day reversal, where the gold price closed at 1330.70, which is below the low of the previous day. The low of the previous day was 1331.11. So that actually is a bearish key one-day reversal, which is a fairly negative near-term technical signal, and suggests that maybe there is the prospect of an upcoming correction. Moving intraday, I think you've still got. I've actually had to redraw this big uptrend that we've been in throughout February. I've actually redrawn this, so at the moment you're still holding on to the 200-hour moving average, which is fine. That's still positive, and you're also still holding on to this uptrend. But if this uptrend now begins to break, then I'm going to be starting to think that this move is going to be corrective. The first line of correction, you'd say 1307. That's for a significant correction on an intraday basis anyway. But at the moment, you're still holding into this. Band of support, which currently comes in about 13.15 up towards 13.28. You're sort of still trading within that band of support there. So at the moment, the outlook is okay. You're still above this trading about around this 200-hour moving average again. So you're okay, and you're above the uptrend again. You're okay. However, the moves overnight tailed off up at 1331.10, which was pretty much exactly where the resistance came in. Sorry, which is the resistance from an old support which was broken on the intraday chart. So that is a little concern on the upside, and certainly I think that will become a key level that the bulls will be looking at. If it can break back above there, then the outlook would improve significantly, I think, on this intraday chart. But certainly, the longer that the gold continues to trade underneath 1331.10, I think the outlook is increasingly under pressure for a correction. So at the moment, I'm not going to be calling outright correction. I think on a move below 1322.09, which was the low from yesterday, that would probably be my signal, to be honest. But at the moment, we're still holding on to several bullish moves, but certainly that bearish key one-day reversal is the first real signal on the daily chart that we've seen for some time that there may be some pressure to the downside building. But certainly I think at the moment I'm still going to be holding on to what is I think a consolidating move in this gold chart, rather than one of outright correction. 1322 I think I'm going to be using as my key trigger point on this chart here. So I wish you good luck in your trading of gold, and I will speak to you tomorrow. Thank you.